Welcome to AI Games Pro Training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to create and manage blogs. Go to the left menu and click on the Create Blogs. And choose Create Blog from the drop-down. Now you are on the Create Blog page. Select your site from the drop-down. You can create your own blog. Just enter the title and add your blog. You can also add image to your blog. And click on Submit button and your blog will be added to your website. Or you can create automated blogs by inserting the keyword and click on Submit button. And your blogs will be generated. You can see your all generated blogs in the Manage Blogs page. You can also delete any blog from the list. Go to your site. Click on Blogs and you can see your all generated blogs. Thanks for watching the video.